Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I am back with another video. If you guys want to see more about this hair, don't forget to stay tuned. Don't forget to stay tuned to the next part of the video. Also, if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, don't know what you're doing. Channel, yes, I said channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't know why you're not, but don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also, do not forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss another upload from myself. So we about to hop right into this video, and yeah, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl TJ. I'm back with another wig. Okay, so today's wig is from Ali Hairs. Inside of her, and then the details would be also on the side of the box. So I do have their full lace wig. This is the Waterwave wig in 24 inches. And it's a full lace wig. It's an ocean wave style in the inches of 24. The color of it is natural. So we're gonna go ahead and take her out and see what we are working with. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm taking off the hairnet, of course, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the tag. And now, ooh, okay, straight out the box. She is soft and silky. Ooh, okay, I see you. I see you. It doesn't have a smell at all, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this so you guys can see what the construction of it looks like. As you can see, the lace is transparent, but it's not transparent enough to where it will blend into my skin, so I am gonna have to add some foundation on. As you guys can see, this is laid, period. Alright, so this is the construction. It has 3 combs in the center. It has the comb. Does it have a comb at the nape? Oh, it has a comb at the nape. It has 360. It's laced all the way around. You can put it in a ponytail. You can do whatever you like. And it does come with the drawstring, which is an awesome feature. I cannot live without that. So off camera, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off the back portion of it and add foundation to this. Hello. Oh, she is so pretty, y'all. She's soft and silky. I'm running my fingers through it. I'm not getting any tangling or any type of shedding so far, so that is always a good thing. Like I said, this unit is transparent because you can see the heck out of my band, but it's not transparent to the point where it matches my skin tone. So it would be a little ashy if I left it like that. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and secure down my wig using my got2b glue hairspray. I'm just going to use my dryer on a low heat setting. This dryer only had 2 options, high heat and low heat. So I learned that when you are using heat period, you want to use the cool heating setting, but if you don't have it, just make sure that you're not putting it as close to your hairline because it will turn white and flake up on you. I had to go in with the makeup remover and just to wipe all the white residue out of that, so just be mindful of that. I'm just gonna do my normal routine. Y'all know how I do. I just go in, secure it down, and add my baby hairs. Now baby hairs is optional. I really love the way that this wig melted into my scalp. As you guys can see, it blended in very well, so I didn't really need to do any more baby hairs. I actually could have went in and plucked it a little bit more, but you guys know I was on a time crunch, and this wig came in handy because it still looks like I did like an hour's worth of work, and I did this in under 30 minutes. So I was really proud of that. Like I said, you do have the option to go in and pluck and make it as natural as possible. I know in the beginning, the intro and the outro, I had that little patch there that looked where I didn't cover it up. Y'all was rushing, and I didn't realize until the end that whole that section where the part was showing, it was a little white or ashy looking. So I do apologize for that, but y'all, I love the lace. I loved how thin it was. Like with our average virgin hair laces, it's a little bit thick, but this one is thin. I really love the thinness because it was easy for me just to glue it down without any problems. Like I said, it's 100%, I think it's virgin Remi hair. but it acts just the same. You're able to dye it and do your normal everyday, you know, stuff with this hair as well. Now this is the same hair as the box. I know I asked the same unit because I know sometimes it's like when you get things and I'm like, wait, is it the same hair? You know, yes. It's just all about how you're styling it and how you're taking the time and applying it to your head. You can have it looking like, you know, your own, but I always had a thing with companies doing that anyway, because it's like you'll look at the picture and you won't want to buy it because the way the picture is looking. But I'm telling you, honey, all you gotta do is take your time, learn the steps or do the steps that I do, and you can have your hair looking just like that. You don't have to have it looking like the models on the pictures. And not saying there's nothing wrong with it. If you prefer to have it way, you can have that way. But if you want a more realistic way, because there's a lot of density in there, you know, it was just parted on one side and it was a lot of volume and density. Yeah, what you guys get my drift, you get my drift. Enough about that. So however, like I said, the unit is thinner. I know the density, I don't know the density offhand, but it's not as great. It looks thicker when it's dry. And be mindful that my hair was wet. Now this is what it's going to look like when it's dry, but when it's wet it's a little bit thinner, so keep that in mind as well. I love the density on the unit. It's not too much. I don't like to be overwhelmed with a lot of hair all up in the way. But yeah, so this is the part I created. I shouldn't put, I don't know what I did. I think I moved up the baby hairs where I parted it at, and that's where that weird looking part came in, because when I do the baby hair it covers up that extra lace. So I don't know what I did between this clip and the next clip, you know, but I just ended up messing it up. So I do apologize for that, y'all. I was rushing. Don't mind me, okay? But like I said, I feel like the hair still turned out great. One thing I noticed that with this hair, just use water. I used the mousse. The mousse made it a little kind of hard and a little stiff. I noticed this hair does not take well with the mousse. So since it's being just Waterwave, I would just stick to using water. When I noticed I put water on it by itself, it looked great. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of the video. This was a very quick slay, y'all. I must say that I'm loving this unit. Like, sis, how we about to do this? This is virgin hair. Like, sis, come on now. I love the water pattern and texture of the hair. It's not too much. It's nice and loose and flowy, and I'm just super in love with this unit, period. Okay, you guys will be seeing more of this unit throughout my channel. So so yeah, I'm really super excited for this unit. I got shedding, of course. I did cut into the unit. I did get shedding, and I actually did get a few snags here and there with this unit. Not gonna cap, not gonna flex, not gonna lie. It is what it is. So and this, okay, so like I was saying, with this unit I rated 9.5. Didn't have any problems with it at all during the installation. I love that the lace on this unit was nice and thin, and it was very easy to blend in with my scalp or my forehead, perhaps. I just added foundation onto that part and then put concealer on this part. If it looks a little off, it's because, you know, y'all know I said I had 30 minutes and it's already 1:30. I'm still here doing the outro, as you guys can see. But this hair is so pretty. It's so flowy. I didn't add anything on it but water and foam wrap lotion, because I definitely wanted to keep the water wave texture on this hair. Okay, when it says water wave, I want to see what it's working with. Okay, I want to see that. So that's why I did this style, because I'm like, I didn't want it in my face. I didn't want to do a middle part, but you know, here it is. So I'm really loving this unit, y'all. And this is 24 inches, y'all. This is bomb. I just know this hair is gonna be like my go-to unit, and I want to see what it looks like curled. I want to see what it looks like flat ironed as well. So yeah, I'm already hyped. I'm all hyped for this unit. So right now, like I said, it's in its natural state, the water pattern texture, and I know, like, it's always different when you wet the hair. The hair definitely changes texture from when you're getting it out of the box. So just be mindful of that, sis. Just be mindful of that.
So yeah, that is pretty much it. I love this unit. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Y'all spit. Bye guys.